Ek Bharat, Shestra Bharat. Hello everyone, I am Praveen Raja, studying in class 7th Kendriya Vidyalaya Angels Pune. Art Integrated Project 2020. Aim: to establish the long-term engagement and to create an environment which promotes between state by sharing our best practice and experience. Abstract: Art and Culture. This project has defined under the Ek Bharat Shestra Bharat program. In this project, I have compiled about the art and culture of Tamil Nadu, and also I gave some information about music, dance, literature, sculpture, paintings, handcraft, etc. History. The region of Tamil Nadu or Tamilagam in the southeast of modern India shows evidence of having had continuous human habitation from 15,000 BCE to 10,000 BCE. Each popular place in Tamil Nadu is unique in its own way. Sangam literature was popular in Tamil Nadu. Sangam literature was composed about 2300 years ago. The history of Tamil Nadu begins with the establishment of a Tamil power in the region, namely the Chera, Chola, and Pandya kingdoms. The Pandyas were mentioned in Greek language literature dating to the 4th century BCE. Location: Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India and covers an area of 3,585 square kilometers. It is bordered by Kerala to the west, Kerala to the northwest, Andhra Pradesh to the north, and the Bay of Bengal to the east, and the Indian Ocean to the south, Cape Capricorn. Kanyakumari, the southmost tip of Indian peninsula, which is the meeting point of the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. Tamil Nadu represents the Tamil-speaking area of what was formerly the Madras Presidency of British India. The capital is Chennai. On the coast in the northeastern portion of the state is essentially agricultural. Climate. The climate of Tamil Nadu is essentially tropical. The mountains and hilly area, especially in the extreme western part of the state, receive the most precipitation, while the lower lying southern and southeastern region received the least rainfall. State bird: emerald dove. State animal: Nilgiri Thar. State tree: palm tree. State festival: Pongal. Agriculture, fishing and forestry. Agriculture is the ministry of life for about half the working population of Tamil Nadu. The principal crop for domestic consumption are rice, millet and sugarcane. Cotton, rubber and cashews are important cash crops. Tamil Nadu is one of India's top fish producers. Plant and animal life. Forests cover roughly 15% of the state. Among the most notable park in the Nilgiri Hill and the large Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park at the southern tip of the Western Ghats. These sanctuaries provide a safe habitat for a broad spectrum of fauna, including elephants, ghats, Nilgiri Thars, wild boars, sloth bears, and various species of deers also inhabit these areas. King cobra, woodland birds, aquatic birds are among the many species of reptiles that make their home in Tamil Nadu. Cultural life. Hinduism lies at the core of the culture of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the holy land which number in the tens of thousands are the 7th and 8th centuries structures of Mamallapuram, which were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. Brihadeshwara Temple is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site known as the Great Living Chola Temple. It was built by Tamil King Rajaraja Chola I in 1010 AD. The temple turned 10 years old in 2020. The art. Introduction of art. Art is creative activity that expresses imaginative or technical skill. Art is a diverse range of human activities in creating, visual performing artifacts and expressing the another author's imaginative mind. The name 64 art is derived from Tamil, and all the arts divided into 64 belong to the Tamils, and Tamil arts predates the Aryan period. The art of language. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. Let us now look at the art of the primary language for all the arts. The father of Tamil language is Agastya. The Tamil language is recognized as the oldest language in the world. The language had a presence even around 5000 years ago. Tolkappiyam is the most ancient extant Tamil grammar text and the oldest extant long work of Tamil literature. Thiruvalluvar wrote the universal Tirukkural in Tamil language. Music. The ancient music is the history of the Carnatic music. During the Sangam period, spanning from 500 BCE to 200 CE, the early narrative poem Silappadigaram belonged to the post-Sangam period. Also mentions various forms of music practiced by the Tamil people, ancient musical tradition found in the ancient Sangam books such as Ettutugai and Pattupattu. Pattupattu contains a description of the yar, a stringed instrument. The flute was the most popular wind instrument during the Sangam period. Pili is an instrument as long as the trunk of an elephant. List of music instruments used by ancient Tamil people was listed in Tirumurai, dated 6th to 11th century. Musical notations. In Tamil music, the Sarigamapadani of the Indian classical music were known by their Tamil names: Kural, Tuttam, Kaikili, Valari, and Taram. Kangar Shashti Kavasam is very popular in Tamil. Our body and mind will function with freshness while singing Kangar Shashti Kavasam. Tamil poets. Tamil, being the earliest classical language, has produced several wordsmiths and birds since being of time. Legends such as Thiruvalluvar, Agastya Munivar, Arunagirinadar, Silagidinarar, Subramanya Bharati, Avvayar, and others have been the son of the soil of Tamil land, who are the founding father of Tamil poetry and music. Dance. Tamil Nadu has a rich history of art and entertainment. Bharatanatyam is a dance of Tamil Nadu. Bambar dance, Karagatam, Kavadiyatam, Devatam, Peacock dance, Snake dance are other folk dance for Tamil Nadu. Jewelry. Introduction. Tamil Annai, the mother Tamil, is raised by ornamenting her with the 5 great epics of Tamil literature. Sivaga Chindamani, jewelry on forehead. Kundalakesi, stud on ear. Manimegalai, grade on wrist. Valapati, bangle of hand. Silappadigaram, anklet on foot. Jewelry for the head. Gridam, golden crown worn by deities and kings, studded with precious stones and gems. Netti chutti, jewelry for the forehead. Raki, etc. Jewelry for ear. Todu, ear stud or earring. Kaduku, small stud with single stone for men. Jewelry for the nose. Mokutti, nose stud. Bisar, hanging design nose stud. Bulku, designer jewel that hangs from the nose stud. Jewelry for the neck. Tali, grooms ties around braid's neck during marriage. Attagai, aram, Malai, Kasamalai, and Manga Malai are some neck jewelry. Jewelry for the hands, Valayal, Kapu, and some other. Jewelry for the waist, Odayam, used to tie the sari in the hip. Arana, hip chain. Jewelry for the feet, Metti, Silambu, etc. Architecture. Introduction. Architecture is the art and science of the design of structures or buildings such as houses, places of worship, and office buildings. Tamil Nadu is a mini India with a little bit of everything that the rest of the countries has to offer: rivers, waterfalls, valleys, seasides, mountains, wildlife, and architecture. Types of architecture from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu buildings exemplify poetry in stone, and great tradition was at Mahabalipuram, 600 km from Chennai, down the eastern coastal highway. It being in the 7th century as a port of the Pallava dynasty. It is 1200 years old, magnificent short temple. Kailasanath temple, Kanjipuram. Akshara was the great sculpture of Pallava's time. The first Pandyan Empire was established by Kadukan in the 6th century. Rock cut and structure temples are significant part of Pandyan architecture. The Vimanam and Gopuram Mandapa are some of the features of the early Pandya temple. Meenakshi Amman temple, Nilappa temple. Temples are established by Pandyan time, 8th century CE. Chola architecture. The Chola king ruled from AD 848 to 1280, and including Rajaraja Chola I and his son Rajendra Chola, who built world famous temples such as the Brihadeshwara temple of Tanjore and Gangakonda Cholapuram. Of art titled Great Living Chola Temples among the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sculptures and carvings. Besant of the Gangs Thiruvalluvar statue. Second World War Memorial Pillar. Valluvar Kotam. Royal Kings statues are most famous sculptures from Tamil Nadu. Panchavarna Swami temple in Tamil Nadu has a 2000 years old categories of a cyclist on its wall, pictures of various baby position in a woman's womb. Sculptured on the temple's wall. Ancient Indians knew signs of filtration without a microscope. From Tamil Nadu, Kailasha Babu created a lot of pencil sculptures. Handcraft. The handcraft of Tamil Nadu showcases the profuse history of Tamil culture and tradition that has grown over the ages. Different categories of Tamil Nadu and craft. Painting of Tanjore, musical instruments, jewelry, metalware, pottery, woodcraft, stone carving, turtle, terracotta figures, bronze ornaments. The paintings of Tanjore are famous and one of the most significant art and craft of Tamil Nadu. The unique thing, they are done on wood, glass, mica, ivory as well as on walls. Moreover, a thin sheet of gold is used to color the painting along with primary colors. Tanjore painting were introduced in the 18th century. The craft of making musical instrument is another popular craft of Tamil Nadu, as music is like life and soul of Tamil Nadu. Veenas, tamburas, flute, etc. The art of creating jewelry is another craft of Tamil Nadu. The traditional jewelry of the state is the stone jewelry, and the most famous ornaments are the gold waist belt, amulet, eardrop, etc. Games from Tamil Nadu. Kabaddi is state sport of Tamil Nadu. Kabaddi is derived from the Tamil word kaipidi, meaning to hold hand. Seval Sandai, Jallikattu, Rekal, Malyuddham, Gusti, Gillidanda, etc. and Satarangam sports originated in Tamil Nadu. Martial arts from Tamil Nadu. Adimurai is a martial art ordained in Tamil Nadu, 6th century AD. Martial arts spread from Tamil Nadu, southern India to China by a Tamil prince turned monk and named Dharma Bodhidharman. From China, martial arts have spread to Korea and Japan. In Southeast Asia was introduced during the naval expansion of the Chola and Pallava empires of the Tamil court between the 2nd and 12th century AD. In the Tamil court, the earliest material known were Varmakalai, pressure point attack similar to Tai Chi or Dimmak, Kuttu Varisai, hand to and compact, similar to Kung Fu and Karate, Malyuddham, wrestling, and Adidadi, kickboxing. Weapons. A valari is a thrown wooden or iron weapon used primarily by the Tamil people of the Indian subcontinent. The valari is used for described in the Tamil Sangam. Maduvu, Sural Val and Kelayam, Iti or Veil, etc. These are traditional weapons from Tamil Nadu. Food art. Sapadu, a typical meat, along with other Tamil dishes, are served on a banana leaf which add flavor. Paddings such as payasam are eaten last. Chola Nadu food. Kumbakonam filter coffee is very famous. Tanjore Puliodarai, Sambar Sadam, Mitli dish are famous. Pandya Nadu. The Chettinad region, Idiyappam, Paniyaram, Muttai Parota, Curry Dosai and milk dessert are traditional food. Kongu Nadu. Oputtu, Sandagai and many dishes in Kongu Nadu are based off coconut and onions. Arisiyam Barpu Sadam, Ulundangali, Kachayam, Tenga Barpi, and Pori Urundai are some among other dishes prepared by Tamil people. Mutton, chicken, and fishes, famous food. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian virundu. Idli, dosa, bajji, Kootu, Sambar, Poriyal, Rasam and curd is main dishes. Sweet Pongal and so many food are very famous from Tamil Nadu. Festivals. Festivals have a lot of artistic within. 7 famous festivals of Tamil Nadu which are celebrated worldwide by the people within Tamil origin. The harvest festival of Makar Sankranti is known as Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu dedicate to sun, god or Suryan and the festival lasts for 4 days of Bohar, Pongal, Mattu Pongal and Karu Pongal. The first harvest crops are dedicated for the sun and the animals that help with agriculture. Tamil Puttandu. This is one of the most famous festival of Tamil Nadu. Beautiful columns or colorful chalk drawings and main highlight of Puttandu is the delicious mango pickle, a sweet sour dish made with raw mangoes and traditional food with jaggery on banana leaf. Natyanjali dance, Thiruvariyar festival, Mahamaha festival are regular festivals. In 1292 CE, Marco Polo arrives on the Cornwall coast of the Tamil Pandyas near modern day Tanjore. On adventure of Marco Polo dedicates ancient Tamil Nadu's culture. After reading the book, Columbus wished to visit Tamil Nadu. Conclusion. This architecture covers the history. This article covers the history, art and culture of Tamil Nadu.